Ondo Assembly cracks down on local government's financial irregularities. Neglect and deprivation. Igbotele village in Osun state cries out for basic amenities. Welcome to Akai Update. My name is Joseph Iyaji. Intensive tutorial for post-UTME, pre-degree, School of Nursing and JUPEP entrance exam is currently in progress at Akai Tutors, Ile-Ife. Akai Tutors is located at number 67 Oduduwa College Road off Sabo Junction, Ile-Ife. You can contact the management of Akai Tutors on 08038644328. Thank you. Now, listen to the news in details.
Amenities. The people of Igbotele village in Odo-Otin LGA of Osun State are languishing in deprivation, appealing to the state government to provide them with basic social amenities to improve their quality of life. Despite their significant contribution to the local economy, the villagers are denied essential necessities like potable water, hindering their well-being and prosperity.
That's what?
The lack of infrastructure has taken a toll on the community, with residents struggling to access basic needs. The recent intervention of the Osun State Community and Social Development Agency, which constructed a borehole to tackle water scarcity, has offered a glimmer of hope. However, the villagers demand more comprehensive development and infrastructure to address their plight.
Yes.
The government's neglect of Igbotele village raises questions about its commitment to rural development and the welfare of its citizens.
That's true.
The villagers pleas for support and resources to encourage farmers to remain in the village and continue their farming activities have fallen on deaf ears. This critical situation demands immediate attention from the state government to address the basic needs of Igbotele villagers and ensure their continued contribution to the state's food security.
I hope so, they do.
The government must prioritize rural development and provide essential amenities to improve the quality of life for its citizens.
That's exactly what is expected.
Anything less is a dereliction of duty.
That is it.
Ondo Assembly cracks down on local government's financial irregularities.
That's another news from Ondo State.
The Ondo State House of Assembly has launched a comprehensive audit of the financial transactions of the state's 18 local government areas, sparking tensions between the legislative arm and local government administrators. Speaker Olamide Oladiji emphasized the Assembly's constitutional duty to ensure accountability and checks and balances at the grassroots level. However, the exercise has been met with resistance from some local government heads, who have refused to submit their financial records for scrutiny.
Why now? Why
Oladiji described this as worrisome and disturbing, stressing that public funds are at stake. He warned that the Assembly will not hesitate to wield its legislative powers to compel cooperation.
Use Gave.
Critics argue that the Assembly's move is long overdue, given the history of financial mismanagement and corruption in local governments.
In Ondo State?
Others see it as a power play by the legislative arm to assert its authority over the executive. As the audit continues, it remains to be seen whether the Assembly will uncover significant financial irregularities and hold those responsible accountable. One thing is certain, however, the people of Ondo State deserve transparency and accountability in governance.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you for joining me in this segment of my news update. My name is Joseph Iyaji, and this is Akai Update. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please hit on the subscription button right now. What are you waiting for? Do it right now, Thank you.